So, could you are now doing physics along with ecology, and you talked about how being open-minded helped you get there. Could you elaborate a bit more about what exactly?
Yeah. So what I'm doing right now can be called as theoretical ecology or mathematical modeling in ecology. So what we do, there has been centuries of empirical ecology, going out into the field, measuring systems, trying to know more about it. But theory in ecology has always been lagging. Right now, with the rise of interdisciplinary science, there is a lot of quantitatively trained people who are interested in talking to the empirical ecologists, trying to make sense of all this data. To the first approximation, that's what I do.
Okay.
More particularly, what I'm doing is I'm working on consumer resource models, or what we call foraging theory of ecology, where we pick a system, we see how do the consumers, which are the animals in the system, make decisions on how they will go after certain foods. Given these rules, we build mathematical models which incorporate the uncertainty, the probability in decision making, all those things into a mathematical structure to figure out what will be the outcomes of these foraging strategies. This could be at an individual level, this could be at a population level. We figure out if populations will rise or go extinct. Are populations stable for human perturbations? Will forests survive given the combination of human interventions and the consumers in the species? We also have one thread of research on forest fires. In fact, we have one research on Amazon forest fires, which, as you know, is becoming more important in the news.
You should do one on the Australian bushfires too.
Yeah, I'll keep that in. But we have a lot of data, but we don't have enough theory and models to make sense of this data, to make predictions and understand us better. And that's what we are basically trying to do.
So you need more people doing that.
We need more people doing theoretical work in traditionally soft sciences. Yes.
Okay. So I think with all the people we interview, we do see that most of them do mention that we do need more people and in the different things that they're doing. Okay, so
but I would like to point out that there have been many studies about return on investment in sciences. We can quantitatively say that more people going to study sciences is better for the overall development of the country. I'm going to strongly advocate for that.
Yeah. Okay. So just as a aside, there have been something that came to my mind was there have been recent studies on waste and foraging. I don't know if you've heard about where human, especially in India, people tend to throw their waste around, and it affects patterns of wild animals because for them finding food is much difficult, and here they're finding it in a much easier way, and they're ingesting plastic and all those things. So I think those sort of things are also directly affect the society, I think, right?
Yeah, we are shaping the ecosystem in really major ways. Plastic is one of the things. You might not believe that the total volume of plastic in the ocean is comparable to the volume of fish in the ocean, pardon me. So as it's not that the animals and plants interact by themselves, but humans are a key player in how ecosystems are shaped, for better or worse, right? And we are making these systems unstable, which is very critical that we understand in which ways we are shaping these ecosystems.
Okay, so finally, we both came through high school wrote all the standard exams, NTSC, KPY, all these things. So, do you have some, advice for students? Because I was just mentioning that as days go by, it's becoming more and more stressful for many students in 11th and 12th.
Right.
So, is there something that you would advise them at high school, at 11th, 12th, to think about their goals and?
I wish I had a golden advice, but you're right. I think paying attention to your overall well-being is being sidelined right now. You know that I famously used to sleep 8 hours a day strictly. I did that even during a PUC, and
we used to play garage cricket.
Yeah, we had garage cricket, and I used to do music even then.
Yeah.
You can arrange time in a way that you can enjoy, but you also have to actively make it a priority that you are having an enjoyable time, that you're not stressed out. If you feel that you're just falling from one task to the next, that means you're taking too much. Take a little time off, try to figure out what are the things that is not working for you and what are the things that you enjoy, and try to arrange things that way. And you're right, the impression is given that this crucial period, first PUC and second PUC, is made to feel like this one-dimensional rat race, but it need not be. There are sufficient different options which are not explored. I would definitely advocate each and every one of you to talk to more people. Talk to your friends, talk to your professors, talk to experts in the field. Being alone is one of the worst things. Being isolated is one of the worst things you can do during this crucial period. We are social beings. We enjoy learning things from each other. So I would say, being social, getting 8 hours of sleep, and making sure you're enjoying the things that you must do should be a priority.
Okay. Thank you so much, Uttam, for speaking to us.
Thank you. It was fun.